You throw this away every day, but it's a gold mine of health benefits. That's right. Today we're talking about lemon peels. You've been tossing them in the trash, but what if I told you they're more powerful than the juice itself? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at a lemon the same way again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're all about natural, holistic ways to level up your health and wellness. Today's video is a total game changer, especially if you're a lemon lover. We all know lemon juice is amazing, but the real superstar, it's the peel. Yep, that part you've been throwing away without a second thought is packed with nutrients that can transform your health. From boosting your immunity to detoxing your body, lemon peels are about to become your new best friend. Plus, I'll share some super easy ways to start using them today. Ready to unlock this wellness secret? Let's get into it. So, why are lemon peels such a big deal? They're loaded with nutrients and compounds that can do incredible things for your body. Here are the top 5 benefits. And don't worry, I've got the science to back it up. So, lemon peels are an antioxidant powerhouse. Way more potent than the juice. Antioxidants fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that damage your cells and speed up aging. According to a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, lemon peels have up to 10 times more antioxidants than the juice. That's like a natural shield for your body. You know, vitamin C is an immunity rock star, right? Well, lemon peels have even more of it than the flesh. Just 1 tablespoon of peel gives you about 13% of your daily vitamin C needs. Add in flavonoids, plant compounds that help fend off infections, and you've got a serious immune boost, perfect for staying strong year-round. Struggling with digestion? Lemon peels could be your fix. They're packed with fiber, which keeps your gut happy and prevents constipation. Plus, they contain d-limonene, a compound that reduces inflammation in your digestive system. Say goodbye to bloating and hello to smoother digestion. Your heart deserves some love, and lemon peels deliver. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that citrus peel flavonoids can lower cholesterol and improve blood flow. One study even found that regular citrus peel eaters had a 40% lower risk of heart disease. That's a pretty sweet deal for something you've been tossing out. Your liver's the unsung hero of detoxing, and lemon peels give it a boost. That d-limonene we talked about? It revs up liver enzymes to flush out toxins faster. Plus, the peels have antibacterial properties that support your body's natural cleanse. It's like a daily reset button. No fancy juice cleanse required. Okay, you're sold on the benefits. But how do you actually use lemon peels? I've got 3 simple, practical ideas to weave them into your routine. Quick note, wash your lemons well and go organic if you can to dodge pesticides. This is the easiest way to get started. Take the peel from 1 lemon, chop it into small pieces, and steep it in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a drizzle of honey if you like it sweet. This tea's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, and it's a cozy, caffeine-free way to unwind while supporting your digestion. You've probably heard of lemon zest in recipes, but it's more than just flavor. It's a health boost. Grab a grater, zest the outer peel, skip the bitter white pith, and sprinkle it on salads, soups, or even desserts. It's a zingy way to upgrade any dish. Bonus, zest your lemons before juicing and freeze it for later. Ready to level up? Dry your peels in the sun or a dehydrator until they're crispy, then grind them into a powder with a blender. Sprinkle this into smoothies, baked goods, or your morning tea. It's a concentrated dose of all those amazing benefits, perfect for busy days. Before you dive in, a few quick heads-ups. Start small. Lemon peels are potent, and too much might upset your stomach if you're not used to them. If you're allergic to citrus, skip this one. And when zesting, avoid the white pith under the peel. It's bitter and not as nutrient-rich. So, there you have it. 5 mind-blowing benefits of lemon peels, and 3 easy ways to make them part of your life. Who knew something so overlooked could be so powerful? Whether you're boosting your immunity, supporting your heart, or just sipping some detox tea, lemon peels are a holistic wellness win. Try them out and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it goes. If you love this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more natural health goodness. Already a lemon peel fan? Share your favorite trick in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.